Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save game progress on Homescapes. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here tap on Save Progress option. Now in order to save your game progress, you'll have to sign in with your Google or Facebook account. In this video, I'm gonna use my Facebook account, so I'll tap on Sign in with Facebook option. Click on the Continue button. And that is how you can save game progress on Homescapes. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down with any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.